pandas on the floor too. Not only one, but a lot.
So
And some of
the
them is
panda
floating.
is like the signature signature animal of China, isn't it? Panda?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, look at that boat. It's like a ship.
Yep.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah.
That's so funny. Oh, you should take a picture of the whole background.
Hello.
Sorry.
Oh no, great.
There you go.
Hello. You want to go up or you want to keep on going? Okay, so over there is like, yeah, all the Christmas lights and everything. I think over there's where all the panda is. Yeah. So nice. Like I can easily. This is, what is this? Like Candles Club near English Bay. Like Candles Club, right? We didn't go this side last time. You were having a headache that time. They're actually placing it right now. It's not even ready yet. Yeah, they still have rope on it. The one is ready is over there. The Kung Fu Panda. Maybe we should go on China. Go to China like 2 days later. 2 days. In 2 days. Sleep in the thing. Sleep in the Airbnb. Yeah.
But do we have to book your hotel?
Yeah, it's easy. We just need to do some research, where to go, and then that's it. Find some clothes. Find some cheap clothes. Cheap trip. Ah, this is so nice. Wait until nighttime. Wait until nighttime. Nice. 5D. They use 5D. Hollywood. You see that? This is Hollywood. Wow. That's what we call attractions.
Oh, like the Oscar.
Yeah, Oscar. Hong Kong. Ah, this is Hong Kong. So beautiful. Where can you get a place like that and get free? Let me stand this up.
So is that ship people
We
visit
can,
for
we can, no, yeah, we can buy, yeah. You can get it if you want. You want to go there? It's fun. Yeah, it's on Klook too.
Oh, I think I saw it.
You want?
It's like a dinner cruise.
Yeah. Do you want? It's nice. And then sometimes they will go for like the light show, symphony at 8 o'clock. So they will go for that too. Wow, that's so nice. Oh, look at this sheep. Just chill here. Nighttime we take pictures here. Daytime is okay.
Yeah.
Nighttime is nicer. Nighttime is way nicer. Oh, this chair, I remember.
I have not put so many stories up in a long time. This is called
This is called what is it? Pearl Harbor?
Victoria.
Victoria Harbour, yeah. Not yeah. You believe that every single brand name had to follow what we want them to do. Look at the sign. Everybody looks exactly the same. And when there's a light show at 8 o'clock, everything's flash according to the. Which hand this is? This is called. Oh, I don't know who the. Sure.
What is that?
People walking,
So
they're coming toward me.
face.
I'm like, oh no, don't block it. And I forgot to change back my mind. That's so nice, right? Wow. Should be down there. Should be around that area.
We
Where
never
the-
walked around this area?
We walked here and then we stopped because we were sick that day. And then we had to go back. So we didn't go that side. We
had to
went
go
here.
back.
Yeah, we had to go
Very
back.
big, very bright lights. I just got it.
You know?
And yeah.
Yeah, we didn't go that side though. We actually didn't go in the middle. We did go the end and we go to the top. We didn't go at the yeah.
So what's at the end?
And yes, yes. And then plus those lights. That's the ore right there. You wanna make that?
Oh, pretty.
Hey, Birdie, it's that one you.
It's not that. Yeah.
they still like 讲国语 speaking Mandarin. So 讲国语 There's a lot of
People walk in heels on the street, or they don't walk that much. That's why.
they don't want that much. They just come here for vacations.
Yeah, it's like
Every one of them is speaking Mandarin. Most of them. Oh, there's another one right there. Almost every single one. See, speaking Mandarin. Only Mandarin speaker would just say like that, style like that. Like only. Well, they are a little bit richer than us for sure.
yeah.
The way that they're so cheap in China, right? So look at that.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, I think it's up there. Is it up there? No. Oh, I Square. Oh, look at that. That's a hotel right there.
This sounds like it's from a Korean drama.
Nah, we can sit there and rest.
Right now? Or later?
We can check this out first.
Yeah.
We come back here. We can relax whenever we want, however we want.
You're such a dork. We're not like Greece goddesses.
Let's get some nice stuff.
Greek gods.
Let's get some nice stuff in China. See, those are things like I don't think they are. Yeah, I don't, or maybe they pay people to do it. Wow, this is so nice.
Yeah, I like this area where the cars come in.
Yeah,
It's like a hotel, right?
it's a hotel. Andrew, hi, 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 hi. Huh? Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah. Where is the Oh wow, there's a chair like that. Oh, is there a chair like that?
我买的，他租了，他租了。
I think it's here. Maybe furthermore. Okay. Okay, okay. I think where's the one with Bruce Lee? Yeah, where's it? We should record this one. Look at the boat. You see? Like Hong Kong, like if you don't hear. No, but the boat is like this way. Yeah. But in Canada, that thing will get yelled at.
I think we'll get yelled at.
I think we'll get yelled at. don't know where the panda is. But there's like that thing.
What's that?
Oh, I think the panda is at the front.
I don't think they
Cake.
have pandas.
But I saw it on the thing. When people talk about like illegal stuff, they go upstairs and talk about it. Like undercover cop and stuff.
Oh, is this where we also
No.
three cops were like talking about each other?
Remember the clown got killed?
Oh,
It's here. This is where they get killed. Look at that. Yeah. I need my folding chair now.
your what chair?
My folding chair. Wow, this is so beautiful. If you come at nighttime, it's so nice here. It's getting water.